As we have seen already how we can run workflow manually, today we'll create an action item for this list so that we can run that action button to run the workflow. So here is a workflow we run manually. Let's go to the items. So on this action list we can add an action button so that we can run that workflow. Let's open the SharePoint Designer, go to the list and libraries, select the project personnel list, and then here in the custom action we can add view ribbon. There are a couple of options, so we'll select view ribbon. Here we'll give a name for this action button: run project update workflow. Then we can put any description if we want to. We will select initiate workflow, and we have only one workflow for this list, so we'll select that one. If we want, we can select any image or icon for that list action item. So here is the couple of list actions so that we can allow. These are the permissions we can set. So let's copy edit list items permission. For the rights mask, paste it here so that we have completed all our entry for this custom action. Save it, and we have the actions here. Let's go to the list, refresh the page, and now let's see the items. Yeah, we can see the custom action. There is no icon, that we have not used any icon. So when we select any record, then that's enable the workflow to run. So we need to remove all the existing records so that we can run the workflow manually using that custom action, and it will run the workflow and update all the records here. We have cleared out all the existing records. Let's select any of the record and then run the workflow. Refresh the page, and that's working our custom action for running that workflow. So that concludes our custom action creation for this list and how we can run workflow using our custom action.